Nakipot lang talaga yung girlfriend mo, pero binibigay agad. Nagulo kami habang may ginagawa ko. Gago ka? Ano ka ngayon? Hindi pa na tumatagal eh. Kaya ka pala iniwan ng girlfriend mo. Kasi isa ka lang pa! Ano? Ha? Ano ka ngayon? Hindi! Ano ka ngayon? Don't ever talk about my girlfriend. Ever! Dahil hindi rin siya satisfied sa'yo. That's why she chose me. Hanggang tingin ka na lang din. Loser.
Ano ginawa mo yun?
Back then, kala ko okay na yung nireject mo siya and ako yung pinili mo. I was happy with it. That's why I put it way over me. And I moved forward with us.
Wala akong nahalata sa inyong dalawa ni Zach. Magkasama pa rin kayo sa negosyo. Seems like you guys were fine.
Kaming mga guys, magaling kami mag-compartmentalize. We can separate business from personal lives. Do you know that every time we had a fight, I'd let him win? Zach was the face of the chip. At alam ko masisira yung negosyo if people saw him lose. Pero iba pala eh. Iba pala yung nakikita ko the way you guys would talk to each other. The way you guys were in bed.
Look, listen to me, okay? Room 209? Saan ba yun?
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Tita Margo, I'm here to visit Amelie.
And what? Gloat at her condition?
No, I'm concerned about her. She's my sister.
Sister? Really? Sister na in-expose at pinahiya mo sa harap na magulang niya? Sister? Sister na inaway mo dahil sa isang lalaki without knowing the whole story? I know you rejected Amelie's apology. So don't you dare use the sister card on me. Alam ko, kaplastikan lang yan. Ano? Natutuwa ka? Ha? Na nangyari ka sa kapatid mo? Ha?
That meant nothing, Luke. Please,
And that makes it worse, eh? Amelie, you gave yourself to Zach. Even when it meant nothing to you. You gave yourself na ganun-ganun lang.
Luke, please.
Now, every time I look at you, eh, I remember the way you touched him, the way you kissed him, and on our wedding night, when we'll finally be together, I'll remember how he was your first.
Ano, Liv? Masaya ka na? Namuntik magpakamatay si Amelie? Ha?
No, Tita.
Ha?
No, Tita. He was your first.
I'm sorry. Luke, please believe me.
Hey, Sana. No, you have to hear me out, Sana. You don't get it.
No,
Amelie.
no, please. Please, please.
Alam mo yun, sana I could tell my mind na tama na.
No.
Na tama na. I wanted to stop. Now, every time I close my eyes,
I'm sorry. Please.
kayo pa rin nakikita ko. Amelie, I don't think I can do this anymore.
No, please. No. Please, I love you so much. I can't lose you too. Please.
Emily. I'm sorry. I'm done. This is it for us. I'm done.
Luke mo yun. Luke.
I have to go.
Luke. Luke.
Umalis ka na. Don't you dare come back. Pag bumalik ka pa, itutulak talaga kita!
Sugar!
Sige, una ka na.
May naiwan pa palang gamit si Byron sa locker.
Kay kuya to? Oh, thank you. Kamusta pala si A? Hindi na kami nakabisita sa kanya eh. Naban kasi si Liv doon sa bahay ni Ma'am Marga. Siyempre, damay na ako sa pagkaban nun.
Didn't you hear? She left for Cebu with her family.
Ha? Okay lang sa'yo yun?
Yeah.
Halata namang hindi.
Skandalo! Sabihan niyo yung babae na yun na harapin niya ako dahil may utang siya sa akin! Yana!
Si Hana Chua naman yung suspect niya, partner.
I-background check natin. Kung talagang pinagbantaan niya si Zach, malamang may motibo siya.
Oh, so you still don't know. Matagal nang alam ni Yana na nagka-affair si Emily sa boyfriend mo. Itinago niya sa'yo, itinago niya sa amin. Anong sikreto pang tinatago ng babaeng yan?
Ah!